Hello people of YouTube! So, obviously I've changed my hair again. Fairly common thing for me. If you are a subscriber or know me personally, you know I change my hair a lot. This is the end result of me going from that red color to this blue and green and brown. I am not a professional. If you decide to do this at your own risk, because I am not a professional and I am not claiming to be a professional. If you want to see how I went from the red to this, keep watching. Tonight, I think I am going to dye my hair. Now, I don't have much dye, but we'll see what happens, and I planned on getting more dye in the future as well. But yeah, we will see how this turns out. This last color was not what I wanted. There's a video, and I'll link that video down below. For whatever reason, my hair took all the red molecules and said we're gonna hold on to this, and the blue can go somewhere else. So that's how I ended up with this red purpley color. Like, it was purple up here, which I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah, the purple was like up here, and then it was like red and weird. I know my hair is funky because it's got a ton of different colors in it right now, but I don't care. I'm gonna do my hair anyways. So the colors that I have right now is Alpine Green by Punky Color. This one's brand new, obviously, and I have half a bottle of Midnight Blue from Splat. So this should be interesting. I think I'm going to do the blue up towards the top and then green towards the bottom. And we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to go brush my hair out, change into a shirt that I don't care about. Okay, obviously I have changed my shirt, and I've grabbed some gloves. This, because I was using this for hair dye, that's why it's all purple and screwed up. And I have the dye here. I'm actually going to be mixing some of this in with the blue to try and make more blue. I don't think it will change the color that much because it's not a white conditioner. Yeah, it's not really a white conditioner. So we will see how this turns out. Oh my goodness, come on. I've been having a lot of problems with my shampoos and conditioners and stuff like that, and apparently even dye, because it has been freezing here, and most of my hair products and some of my skincare products are like a gel because of how cold they have gotten. I just put some conditioner in here, and now I'm trying to shake it up to get as much of that dye out as possible. Now I have taken off all my jewelry, excuse me, on my hands, because my wedding band has actually poked holes in gloves before, so I've ended up with dyed hands. So gloves, and I got my brush here, and a hair tie because I still haven't gone out to get clips. So make do with what you got, and just section out some hair. Trying to make it as even as possible. Oh my gosh, and just by doing this my hair is already tangled again. Oi. I'm just gonna do split that in half, that section. It's not gonna work. Shoot. Okay. Of course I can't see. I should probably put my contacts in. Yeah, I can't see, so I need to put my contacts in. Okay, now that I can actually see again. Turn this down a little bit too. Yeah, no. Brush is not working for me. Of course, now my gloves are covered in blue and I'm doing two different colors, so that makes a lot of sense. Just wipe it off on the top because that's gonna be blue anyways, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of the blue first and then go back with the green. So you basically get the idea. I'm just going to be doing all of the blue and leaving some of this out for the green. I'm not being precise. I'm not looking for perfect personally. Okay, so this is about all I got out of the blue that I had. So there's quite a bit left on top. But that's okay with me. So that's what we've got so far. Now onto the green, which again, Punky color Alpine green. Looks like this. Smells like grapes. My counter is still turning colors because my towel that I had on here slipped off. So now what I'm going to do is just take one side at a time. And get it out of the way. Which it's not really out of the way, but it'll work temporarily. So now I'm just gonna take the green and put it down on the ends. I could not find Punky color for the longest time. I used to use this dye years ago, and then when I found out that Ulta carried it, I was like, yes, but they only carry a few colors. I love the formula because it's thick and not runny. And my heater just kicked on, sorry about that. And a little actually goes a very long way. Now I'm just going to blur the two right here so I don't have a harsh line. and continue that all the way up. My husband went to work and I had one color, and when he gets back I'm gonna have a different color. He's used to it by now though. He knows I like to change my color a lot. That's just me. So I'm pretty sure by now you guys get the gist of what I'm doing. So as soon as I finish the strand, I will go ahead and clean off my gloves at least long enough for me to hit the button, and then I will do the rest of it off camera and come back. Okay, so this is my hair right now. I need to let it sit for at least 30 minutes, possibly longer because it is colder. So yeah, that's my current stage. I'm gonna go what is it? Watch a TV show or something like that. Come back, well, hop in the shower, rinse it out, then come back so you guys can see what it looks like when it's wet. Okay, so obviously I have a lot of green all over my face. So yeah, let's see what we have. I literally just got out of the shower and threw some clothes on. Doesn't look too bad. At least it didn't, the blue didn't wash out the green. So yeah, this is what it looks like when it's wet. Obviously, I'm gonna go dry my hair because I got the bright idea to do this when it's like 30 degrees outside or colder. So yeah, I'm not even gonna film blow drying my hair because that just takes way too long. So I will come back once it's dry. And this is the final look. Excuse me. Some parts did turn brown, which honestly is not surprising to me. That's just where I put the green over that red color. What happens when you do that is the green is the opposite of red, and when you mix the two you get brown. So that doesn't surprise me at all. Like there's some right here that's a little bit of brown. It doesn't bother me. I actually think it's kind of cool because it's just doing its own thing. There's some here that's a little bit brown too. Some blonde still. I knew I was gonna miss some. I barely had enough to do what I actually did. Underneath there's obviously way more blue, which I like, and this is the green right here. And if I stand up and come back, this is what it looks like. Let me do that. So I actually really like it. That's all that really counts. But after all, that's all that really counts. You know, I do it for me, not for anybody else. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I will will leave a list of what I used down below. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. I see Sprite Makeup. Those will also be down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.